Let's dye my blonde mohawk rainbow. I have bright red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, and just did a video showing how I got my hair this blonde, so that's step 1, and let's move on to color. This is what I'm starting with. It's a nice and bright blonde, yet still curly, which is the perfect base to put these colors on top of. I'm starting by combing out my hair so it's easier to section out where each color is going, and then I can clip the sections into chunks before I start the dyeing process. I'm clipping my hair out of the way before smearing Vaseline all over the sides of my head to prevent the colors from bleeding all over when I rinse it out at the end, so the sides stay blonde and the color is only on the mohawk. Then Harrison came to help with the parts I can't see and Vaseline to the back section so he could get a precise line right next to the mohawk but not overlapping. We decided to measure the length of my mohawk so we could divide it by 6 so each section was even, and we used his 1-inch tattoo to measure as we went. And let me tell you, sectioning evenly was one of the hardest parts, even with his measuring tattoo, so he helped me with that, and then we clipped each piece together as we made each section. We're starting with the back, and I'm using Purple Haze by Manic Panic, which is a rich purple, and he's using a small brush to get a precise application and then laying it on my neck to get each piece out of the way, which did end up staining my neck purple, but that's okay because it did fade after a day or two. Then we put some saran wrap on top to keep that from bleeding into the blue, and for that I used Manic Panic's dye in Lilac, which ended up being pretty similar to the purple, but I couldn't tell from the packaging, but I noticed after he started painting and he was like, "Are you sure this is the blue you want to use?" And I was like, well, it's too late now, so yes. It does look more blue over time after it washes, but right now it kind of looks the same, but oh well. We covered that with saran wrap, and then it was time for green, so I used Strawberry Leopard dye for my first time, and it was in the shade Money, which is a beautiful bright green, and we put that into a bowl so it'd be easier to apply. He likes to start from the roots and around the edges of where the mohawk meets the buzz cut, so it's easier to then fill in the rest without worrying about messing up the edges, and for my first time using Strawberry Leopard, I was very happy with how the color came out, and the color definitely reminded me of Money. We saran wrapped that, then used another Strawberry Leopard dye called You're My which ended up being my favorite of the two because it was such a perfect bright yellow, and that's exactly what I was looking for this rainbow mohawk. I wanted the colors to all be as true and bright as possible to make the rainbow really cohesive and for it to stand out, and I mean, just look at this color. Oh my god. Stunning. The saran wrapping on this one was so important since the yellow is the lightest color and anything can bleed into it easily, so he was as precise as possible with this one. Not that he wasn't before, but still. For orange, I used Lunar Tide's Neon Tangerine, which looks a little reddish in the bottle, but don't worry, it's actually a pretty true bright neon orange color once you put it on platinum hair, and actually really reminds me of a tangerine if you were to make it slightly more neon of a color. I really wanted to try Lunar Tides because I want to experience every hair dye brand so I can compare and find my favorite colors from each line, and this is definitely a very beautiful one that I'll keep in stock in my amateur hair dye collection. We covered that one up, and then it was time for the last color, and I'm using Rock and Roll Red by Manic Panic, and I'm doing this one myself since I can finally see the section in the mirror. I think it was the perfect color to do at the front because it's perfectly red and nice and bright and looks really good when you see me front on. So this is what we're looking like, and when I carefully rinsed it out, I still got red on my eyebrow and a little on the side, so I'm vitamin C'ing those spots, but from the back you can see it's such a beautiful color combo, other than the blue literally being the same as the purple. But it's okay because those are in the back and I learned my lesson for next time. I really love how it turned out and wish I had more time to wear this style so I could have worn it curly, but I had a hair appointment 2 days after to buzz and paint me, so this was pretty last minute, but I had to see how the mohawk would look rainbow. Next time I'll remember to Vaseline my eyebrows before rinsing it out, but this is how it looked after it dried, and I clipped the red by itself because red loves to bleed, and clipped the yellow out of the way since it's the lightest color. I also sectioned and rinsed the yellow out last because it's the lightest color and most likely to be blood on, and a little did happen, but not too much. The colors turned out super vibrant, which I love, and everything except the back two were very distinct and bright colors, which was perfect for when I styled it, and the goal was to do a perfectly dramatic Liberty spikes, especially because I had a photo shoot the next day. And let me tell you, this look took 3 hours, including distractions, but I'm gonna show you how I did this in my next video, so check back for that one in a few days. I feel like the baddest punk baddie in this style, and it was literally my dream mohawk, so I'm really glad it turned out this well, and you guys are gonna scream when you see the pics from the photo shoot on IG, especially because everything was shot on film and has that extra flavor added to it. A little bit of the green bled into the back of the yellow, but it was more yellow than green, so that's why it's sectioned on the yellow side, but I did my best to prevent as much bleeding as possible and am obsessed with the outcome. Plus, it's been over 10 years since I've done rainbow hair. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and hope you're all having a great day. Bye!